from Jacksonville. We're going to go to that now.
I just finished a briefing with the National Hurricane Center. Based on the 5 o'clock weather update, we know Matthew is moving more west toward Florida. Exactly what we've been seeing the last couple days. It's about 400 miles southeast of Palm Beach County. The projected eye of the storm is extremely close to Florida now. Matthew has maximum sustained winds of 120 miles per hour. It remains as a Category 3 hurricane and is expected to strengthen as it gets closer to Florida. We will likely start to see impact on our state within the next 24 hours and last through the weekend. That means people have less than 24 hours left to prepare, evacuate, and shelter. There are hurricane warnings and watches along the entire east coast of our state. Tropical storm watches are now in effect for the Florida's Gulf Coast. This is the first time with this hurricane. This is serious. Having a plan in place could mean the difference between life and death when it comes to a storm of this magnitude. Here are the impacts. Heavy rain. Forecasts project 4 to 7 inches from the Upper Keys northward to the coastal east central Florida. Could be 10 inches in some areas. And let's remember, when we have storms like this, we get bands, and sometimes those bands drop way more water than that. Storm surge. Heights are expected to be above ground. Forecasts project 5 to 8 feet from Sebastian Inlet to the Florida-Georgia line. 3 to 5 feet from Deerfield Beach to Sebastian Inlet. 1 to 2 feet from the Upper Keys to Deerfield Beach. This surge can be deadly. If you go back to just what we just had with the Category 1 in the Panhandle, we had storm surge as much as 10 feet. And when this water comes in, it comes in fast and it goes out fast. Please do not risk going out on the beach and trying to surf. Again, this can kill you and we cannot save you. We're going to have rip currents. We're going to have beach erosion. We have the chance for tornadoes. And we're going to have hurricane force winds. Wind strength is our biggest concern, regardless if the storm directly hits us or not. The probability of high wind speeds has continued to increase as the forecast develops. The probability for hurricane strength winds continues to increase. But again, everything can quickly change. These are projections. And it's just a few degree change can have a dramatic impact on what happens to our state. We have to prepare and assume we will have a direct hit by this catastrophic hurricane. We are preparing for the worst, we are hoping for the best, and we cannot take any chances. Based on the current forecast, I have now requested of President Obama to declare an emergency declaration in 26 counties. I've also requested direct federal assistance to meet pre-landfall critical emergency needs of our communities. This includes resources from the federal government, including food, water, and tarps. I hope the President quickly responds. Based on the current forecast and to shift more towards Florida, I am activating an additional 1,000 members of the National Guard. That means 1,500 members of the National Guard are now activated. Per my direction, they are currently stationed in North, Central, and South Florida, so they can be deployed immediately. In addition to this, we have over 6,000 members of the National Guard ready to be deployed if needed. Based on the current forecast, I directed the Department of Transportation to suspend all tolls in the affected areas of the state. This includes the entire Florida Turnpike, Alligator Alley, Central Florida Expressway Authority, and the Miami-Dade Expressway Authority. This expands my direction from this morning that only included suspension of tolls in counties with evacuation